This is a countersunk hole which was created in the previous demo. I can create this countersunk hole using the same techniques I did in the previous demo on how to use Hole Wizard, creating the countersunk hole off two edges. However, a more effective or more common approach might be using the linear pattern. So we'll go ahead and demo how that was used for this example. In the specification tree, you'll see I have the L pattern here. I'm going to select on this. We're going to right click and we're going to delete that hole out. Yes, to delete that feature. So to get this countersunk hole over here, the technique I would use is to first highlight this in the tree to make sure you have the entire countersunk hole. I want to identify what I want to move first, and then I will use the feature called linear pattern. So there's a couple of patterns that you could use in here. I'm going to go with this linear pattern, and then I'm going to select a direction. The first thing it wants to know is the direction. Up here in the top left corner where my cursor is, the pattern direction is highlighted in blue, waiting for you to pick an edge to define the direction. I'll select this edge, and I'll change this value, which happens to be what I need it to be. If you didn't know it was 4, what you know is it's 5 inches long, minus 0.5, because I located it a half inch from here to here and here to here, times 2. Now, if this does this correctly, I should be able to hit tab, and it should go 2 times 0.5, which is 1, and subtract it from the 5. I'll hit tab. Maybe I have to hit enter, and you see it changed that number to 4. Oh, but I did the wrong one there. I meant to do this one. So sorry about that. Let's I'll change this back to 1. This is the one here I'm supposed to change, which again was 5 minus 2 times 0.5. I hit the tab button, and it changes that to 4. Again, this length of this line is 5 inches. The distance from this center point to this edge is 0.5. So I want 2 times this to subtract out this from 5. So the distance from this hole to this hole is 4 inches. I select the green check, and I can select, that's it actually. All I have to do is hit the green check, and there's my pattern. I'll go ahead and display this as the shade mode, and you have a countersunk hole on either end. Let's make another demo to get the other side.